Hello guys, this is the new FreeBuds 5 from Huawei. They reached the number 5 as you can see here. These FreeBuds 5 are coming in 3 different finishes. Here we have the frost silver, but we can find them in the market in ceramic white and coral orange. They are having open fit architecture, so you don't plug them in your ears, just put them on. And they are very unique in design. As you can see, the case is like an egg, like a stone. And the earbuds, FreeBuds 5, they are like earrings. So they have dynamic EQ. By using the app, you can adjust the different regions of the frequency response. The feature here is the 11mm dual magnetic driver in order to achieve a frequency response of 16 Hz to 40 kHz. They are very light, they have Bluetooth 5.2, they have fast charging, and the battery lasts 3.5 hours with the noise cancelling on. So they are very modern, very unique in terms of looks, and they sound very interesting. They have LDAC in order to achieve high-res audio, so you can use these FreeBuds 5 with Android phones or iOS devices. So the key thing here is the design, this unique design. You can use them anywhere, even you can sleep with them without no problem, so they fit very perfectly and they don't bother and they don't harm your ears. So we have done some tests for you, and they have IP54 for dust and splash resistance. So let's have some experience how they cancel the noise and how do they sound. Thanks for watching, guys.
Noise canceling off. Noise canceling on.
Thank you. We would like to throw just one pretty tune in before we do the next song. Sort of put you to sleep for a moment. Summertime.